Are you looking for a side hustle or a new business venture in 2025? The right equipment can turn an idea into a money-making operation. Thanks to online marketplaces like Amazon and Alibaba, you can easily purchase high-tech machines that allow you to start a business with minimal effort. From food production to custom merchandise, these machines can help you automate tasks, cut costs, and boost profits. In this video, we're breaking down 11 unique business machines you can buy right now to kickstart your journey into financial independence. Let's get started. Automatic coffee vending machine. Coffee is a billion-dollar industry, and an automatic coffee vending machine is one of the easiest ways to tap into this market with minimal overhead. These machines brew fresh coffee at the push of a button, serving cappuccinos, espressos, and lattes within seconds. Ideal for high-traffic locations such as office buildings, shopping malls, and public spaces, these vending machines generate passive income with little maintenance required. With advanced features like cashless payment options, customizable menus, and self-cleaning systems, modern coffee vending machines are a smart investment. Purchasing one from Alibaba or Amazon can quickly turn into a profitable venture, especially if placed in a strategic location with consistent foot traffic. T-shirt printing machine. The custom apparel industry continues to grow, and a t-shirt printing machine allows you to start your own clothing brand with ease. These machines use heat transfer, screen printing, or direct-to-garment technology to apply designs onto t-shirts, hoodies, and other apparel. With a compact setup, you can take custom orders and produce high-quality prints from home. Many entrepreneurs have turned t-shirt printing into a full-time business by selling customized designs on Etsy, Shopify, or at local events. With the ability to print on demand, you avoid the risk of overstocking inventory while catering to niche markets that value personalized fashion. Phone case printing machine. With billions of smartphones worldwide, the demand for stylish and custom phone cases is enormous. A phone case printing machine allows you to print unique designs directly onto plastic, silicone, or leather cases, creating a high-margin business opportunity. Whether you offer trendy designs, custom artwork, or personalized cases with names and photos, this machine makes it easy to produce high-quality products. Available on Alibaba and Amazon, these machines are relatively affordable and can be operated from a small workspace, making them ideal for startups and home-based businesses. Selling customized phone cases through online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Instagram can quickly turn into a profitable venture. Automatic cotton candy machine. An automatic cotton candy machine is a great investment for anyone looking to start a fun and profitable snack business. These machines are perfect for events, parties, fairs, and amusement parks, where people are always willing to buy fresh, fluffy cotton candy. With a small investment, you can start a mobile or event-based cotton candy business, selling different flavors and colors to attract customers. The low cost of production and high markup on each serving make this a lucrative business model. Plus, advanced machines available on Amazon and Alibaba allow for quick production, making it easy to serve large crowds efficiently. Edible coffee cup machine sustainability is a growing trend, and an edible coffee cup machine is an innovative way to capitalize on eco-friendly products. This machine creates coffee cups made from biscuit or wafer material, which not only eliminates waste, but also adds a delicious element to your coffee experience. Cafes, restaurants, and event planners can use these cups as a unique selling point to attract environmentally conscious customers. The machine itself is available on Alibaba and can be an excellent investment for entrepreneurs looking to introduce an innovative and sustainable product to the market. Bubble tea sealing machine. Bubble tea, or boba, has exploded in popularity worldwide, and a bubble tea sealing machine is essential for running a successful bubble tea shop or mobile stand. This machine automatically seals cups with plastic film, ensuring a leak-proof, professional finish. Whether you own a bubble tea shop or plan to start a mobile bubble tea business, this machine speeds up production and enhances the customer experience. Available on Amazon and Alibaba, modern sealing machines come with adjustable settings, making them compatible with various cup sizes and liquid consistencies. 3D chocolate printing machine. A 3D chocolate printing machine is a game changer for dessert shops, bakeries, and event planners. This machine allows users to create intricate chocolate designs, custom logos, and unique shapes with precision. Whether for weddings, corporate events, or gourmet chocolate brands, the ability to offer customized chocolate creations can set your business apart. With rising consumer demand for personalized treats, a 3D chocolate printer from Alibaba or Amazon can turn your confectionery business into a profitable and exclusive venture. Coin-operated massage chair. Wellness and relaxation services are always in demand, and a coin-operated massage chair is a perfect way to generate passive income. These chairs can be placed in airports, malls, gyms, hotels, and office buildings, offering quick massage sessions for a small fee. With minimal maintenance and low operating costs, a massage chair business requires little effort while bringing in steady revenue. Many modern models available on Alibaba and Amazon come with advanced features like AI-driven massage techniques, customizable settings, and payment integrations, making them a smart investment for entrepreneurs looking for automated income streams. Candle-making machine. The handmade candle industry is thriving, and a candle-making machine allows you to enter this lucrative market with ease. Whether you want to create luxury scented candles, therapeutic aromatherapy candles, or novelty candles, this machine automates the production process, ensuring consistency and efficiency. With customizable molds, wax types, and fragrance options, you can cater to different customer preferences. Selling handmade candles on Etsy, Shopify, and at craft fairs can generate substantial profits, especially with the growing consumer interest in home decor and self-care products. Smart vending machine. Traditional vending machines have evolved into smart vending machines equipped with digital payment systems, interactive screens, and remote monitoring. These machines can sell anything from snacks and beverages to electronics and beauty products. The convenience of cashless transactions and AI-driven inventory tracking makes them a highly profitable investment. Entrepreneurs can purchase these machines from Alibaba, customize them for specific products, and place them in high-traffic areas like airports, universities, and office buildings for steady passive income. Ice cream roll machine. Ice cream rolls have gained massive popularity as a trendy dessert, and an ice cream roll machine allows you to start a unique ice cream business. These machines flash freeze liquid ice cream mix on a cold plate, letting operators create fresh, customized rolls for customers on the spot. With eye-catching preparation methods and endless flavor combinations, rolled ice cream attracts customers in shopping malls, food markets, and outdoor events. Investing in one of these machines from Amazon or Alibaba is a great way to capitalize on the growing demand for interactive food experiences. Starting a business in 2025 doesn't have to be complicated. With the right machine, you can create a profitable venture with minimal upfront costs. Whether you're into food, fashion, or automation, these 11 unique business machines can help you generate income and build a successful business. Which machine interests you the most? Let us know in the comments.